beige. Oh, I hate the. I don't know ever. I don't know why it is. Beige. Oh, I don't like the way it sounds. I don't know. I don't really like the way beige looks. But on these Air Max 90s in particular, woo, they look fire. Welcome guys to a new video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to be looking at and reviewing the Nike Air Max 90 Bio Beige Safety Orange. The price point for these Air Max 90s is £134, which is really good value for a really dope Air Max 90 in my opinion. If you're excited for a new Air Max, make sure you like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. Without further ado, let's get straight into the review. These Air Max 90s come in a regular Nike box. As you open up the box, you're greeted with beautiful camo orange, which looks really cool. You don't get any extras inside the box, and the official description is Bio Beige Black Safety Orange. Starting with the tongue, you get your standard Nike Air Max polyester label, and you get like a durable synthetic leather around the tongue. Very nice. The laces are made of soft cotton. The sock liner is made of polyester. Eyestays are made of plastic. The mud guard, you do get a synthetic leather, nubuck and real leather layers. That's all along the upper and the mud guard and on the toe box. The toe box is made out of nylon and it feels absolutely lovely. That's my favourite toe box on an Air Max 90. The midsole is made of polyurethane and it is really squidgy. When I say it's durable, it's super durable. Really nice on feet. Boom, we go to the heel plate in that bright orange with that black Nike writing. Looks absolutely awesome. The air unit looks really sick with that bright pop of orange and clear all the way through. Looks really nice. The outsole is made of rubber with that traditional waffle design and it's blacked out completely. I think that's a good thing for these Air Max 90s because I'm going to wear them a lot and they're going to get dirty. The insole is made of soft cotton, which feels lovely when you're walking, but it is paper thin and very like just not a great insole. But the shape of these insoles is really good. Nice little details on these insoles make them that little bit better. Materials on these Air Max 90s, I'm giving them a 10 out of 10. We've been through the materials, but now it's time to go through the comfort, the sizing, and give these bad boys a rating. Get down to comfort on these Air Max 90s. There's no question about these bad boys, man. These are a 10 out of 10 Air Max 90 for comfort. You got that beautiful padding around the sock liner. Not too much, but just enough. And they feel nice to hand. They feel comfortable on your feet and they're very breathable. You got that beautiful nylon toe box, which is like the OG reverse duck camos. They're really soft. And the best part about these Air Max 90s, in my opinion, they may not last as long, alright, but they're super durable. Super durable. When I say durable, you can just crunch that right up. That's how lovely they feel on feet as well. That durability for me on an Air Max 90 is the best, in my opinion. Get down to sizing, guys. I definitely suggest you go true to size these Air Max 90s, whether you're wide-footed or narrow-footed. I definitely suggest going true to size. Put your foot in straight away. They're super comfortable. Slip your feet into them, and you're in heaven straight away. These is how the Air Max 90s should be done all the time. Personally, I think you got a nice durable synthetic and real leather layers. You got a lovely, comfortable looking Air Max 90. They're just overall, man, for sizing, I would say go true to size. Now guys, we gotta give them a rating. I've been dropping 10s like it's hot recently and I want to keep going with that. Are these a 10 out of 10 Air Max 90? A little detail that you guys might like to know, these Air Max 90s have the same materials as the reverse duck camos, which is one of my favorite Air Max 90s ever. Super comfortable, super durable, really nice looking. In my opinion, the durability on these is second to none. It's super lovely on feet. The best thing, or the way an Air Max 90 should feel for me on feet is super comfortable. You should be able to put your foot straight into them with no issue. Put them on whether you got to do the laces or loose lace them. You should be able to put your foot straight in and they should feel comfortable straight away. These do that. These do that perfectly. That's how nice they are. Although, if I'm going to be picky, the tongue isn't made out of polyester. It's got like a stiffer leather, but it is durable and it doesn't bother your ankles or your frunkles, because I don't know what that part of your foot is called. Not forgetting the looks on these bad boys up close and far away look really cool. I think the details on these, the way they feel, the way they look, the little subtle hints of like rock fragments coming off on these. Maybe these are an element design as well. I don't know. I just think those little details of the black outline really cool. Everything about these Air Max 90s for me is super dope. The durability of the midsole is super squishy. That toe box is my favourite of all time on any Air Max 90. The nylon toe box, in my opinion, you can't beat it. It's just great. It makes your toes feel a little warm while you can wiggle them around with no effort. So my overall rating for these Air Max 90s is, you guessed it, a 10 out of 10. These Air Max 90s dropped under the radar. They didn't get a lot of promotion, but they might be a bit of a weird taste, alright? A bright orange shoe, can everyone rock that? Probably not. Is it going to appeal to everyone's taste? Probably not. I tried on the green colourway and the pink colourway. This, for me, was the best one. Wearability, the green are probably better, but in my opinion, these look fire. And in your collection, standing out in your collection, this is a good one to have. Overall, Nike have done a banging job with these. They're a 10 out of 10 for me, guys. That's my rating. An absolutely beautiful Air Max 90. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. What do you think of these Air Max 90s? Would you wear them? Would you rock them? A pretty cheap Air Max 90 with a lot of detail and beautiful comfort. For me, you can't beat it. Guys, the Air Max 90s are going crazy this year. I'm absolutely buzzing about it. I can't quite put into words how I want to say it, but I think we're getting very lucky with the Air Max 90s at the moment. We've got to enjoy it while it lasts, because it might not be forever. And these ones right here, an absolute banger. Let me know what you thought down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Salute.